Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. It's 10th week of online learning. Today's lecture is for class 8th, subject English language, unit number 5. The name of the unit is A Place to Live, topic grammar, correlative conjunction, page number 62 of student book and page number 40 of workbook. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the concept of correlative conjunctions. Number 2, use the correlative conjunctions in sentences. Number 3, solve the given exercises in student and workbook. Success criteria. In order to achieve the objectives, students will have to follow the success criteria. Number 1, listen to the instructions or guideline carefully. Number 2, correlative conjunctions come in pairs and you have to use both of them in different places in a sentence to make them work together. Introduction of correlative conjunctions. They get their name from the fact that they work together and relate one sentence element to another. Correlative conjunctions include pairs such as whether, or, either, or, and, neither, nor. Number 1. We use whether or to join two clauses. We use them when it doesn't matter which choice we are going to make. For example, whether you prefer a quiet walk or an exciting adventure, you should visit Tivoli Gardens. Number 2. We use either or when there are two or more real choices. We often use either before the main verb. For example, you can either take a boat ride or walk around a harbor. We can also use either or before the entire clause. For example, either stop complaining or speak to the waiter. Number 3. We use neither or nor in the same way as either or when the choices are negative and not available. For example, you can neither take a train nor a bus to the town. Examples: either or. I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. In this sentence, there are two choices. One is of cheesecake and one is of chocolate cake. So the subject will have to choose the one option. Number 2, whether or. I don't know whether you would want the cheesecake or the chocolate cake, so I got both. In this sentence, there are two or more choices. Number 3, neither or nor. Oh, you want neither the cheesecake nor the chocolate cake? No problem. In this sentence, both options are not available. Here is the photo or picture of page number 40 of the workbook under the heading of correlative conjunctions. Students will have to solve the given exercises. Their main task is solve exercise number 1. Choose and circle the correct answers. Exercise number 2. Complete the sentences. Insert the words in the brackets in correct positions. It's all for today's lecture. If you want to know anything, you may ask. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.